ukuthi angikaze ngize ngizilami.
Siyabuilda.
Ngathi nginengane. Yini ndaba nithatha izinto ey'shiwo abantu nizoyibuza mina. Yini ningabuza labo bantu basho ukuthi bayazi phela.
Chabo.
Azi ingane zabantu ukuphila impilo yazo. Abantu abasakwazi ukuphosta nje into eziqondene nazo. Yeah, banake nazi izingane zabantu. Ngiyazikhulumela phela le ngane ngoba zizele izingane zami. Ngoba this. Tirelo this. Abhizi bapolishana nezingane zemizi yabantu abangazazi abangahlangene nazo. Abantu nje kucaca ukuthi abana life nje bahlalela ukunaka izingane ezincane. Lezi izingane ezincane bafowethu yini eyenza abantu babe njeni? Emhlabeni nje abantu bave sebemuncu nje bakithi. Bamuncu nje abantu awazi ukuthi yini ngampela.
Yo sana izingane zesithembu season 4 back like umqolo. Listen, it's at its first episode last week at Thursday, and this season sana we are going to witness a relationship kaTirelo no Amahle deteriorate. Like, listen, when uTirelo was like, lalela, andifuni kaloku ukuba ne relationship nomuntu wakho, and uAmahle goes like, hey, uTirelo uyakuthanda ukukhuluma. I'm like, child. But listen, that's not the interesting parts this season. Ulwandle, ayibo Lwandle. Ulwandle usukume phansi ne storyline. I mean, on previous seasons, when we were watching Izingane Zesithembu, let's not lie, we were all watching for Isithembu Sika Mpumelelo. Mpumelelo had a storyline, a great storyline. But this time around, Ulwandle came through for us, Listen, guys, from the previous season of Uthando Nezithembu, sibonile ukuthi uLwandle ukhulelisiwe u-girlfriend, and uMacele wathi nje lalela indaba zo girlfriend no boyfriend angiyingeni mina, and akunanhlawulo engizoyikhipha until ngenza i-DNA, and if the DNA proves ukuthi indeed the child is Lwandle's, therefore we can proceed with inhlawulo, right? Sharp. uMacele even invited girlfriend kaLwandle, just to explain this ukuthi lalela girl akunanhlawulo ozoyithola. Meanwhile sesobona ngengane nakhona ingane misizelwe, what we gonna do, sizoyenza i-DNA test. Hayi ke zibuyile izingane zesithembu. It seems like the DNA test was done because nangu khwezi phela umuntu kaLwandle usenegane. Ayike shoka nganza kwethu shoka. Lalela yabuya nje i-DNA test ithi 0 probability ukuthi uLwandle daddy baby daddy, bathi nje ayi inkosi yami bandla, sorry girl ugejile, hayi ke ukhwezi lapha ku diary uthi uba mina ngeke, I wouldn't have done that kuLwandle. Phela umuntu wesifazane uyawazi ama steps akhe. This baby is Lwandle's, okay? She further on speculates ukuthi someone tampered with the DNA results. Hayi bolwa wena khwezi, ubani loyo, who would have done that, She's like, no, those ones are not legit. Mina nje I advocate for myself to get a second paternity test because there is just no way. Guys, now ama lontuzana ama testing ngize ngani screenshot hela because I'm like, ayibo lalela ke ba guys, uLwandle seems like someone, Ulwandle is funny. It seems like the lights are on, but there's no one in the house because he goes and says, yeah, I think maybe the reason that the tests were not positives is because the baby was still too young. I'm like, Lwandle, but iskolo sona, baby girl. I mean, boy. Uyile esikolweni mhlambe ufikile ke ungenani ka grade 12, because what do you mean? Do you know how paternity tests work? Perhaps you should have done more research on paternity test. I don't know, guys, but I don't know. I don't like uMacele. I dislike uMacele. But do I truly believe uMacele would tamper with the DNA results? I don't know. That family is big and it's wealthy. So anything is possible from a big wealthy family, right? However, I do feel like ukhwezi is macele ezikhama. Oh sana loya mama usazothandaza. Uyabazi macele mesethandaza wena. Oh sana loya mama usazothandaza because ulwandle uthi nje mina nawe we are still going forward and ukhwezi uyabuza ukuthi manje sishada nini ke sana uthi nje ulwandle mina ngizwa ngoma mina angizwa ngoma ngezinto engifuna ukuyenza isikhathi engifuna ukuyenza ngazo so nje angizwa ngoma hayi nganza kwethu angiyazi deje mina hey umacela usazothandaza usazorola usazoyolwadle because yay ama chest pains okwazi ukuthi ulwadle uzoba u step further not only is he going to be a step further, it does seems like if the child is not his, it obviously means that ukhwezi stepped out of the relationship and was with someone else while seeing ulwazi, and therefore it resulted ukuthi ingane kungabi eka lwazi. Saze sasha nganza kwethu saze sabrayeka lalela. I am here for season 4 of izingane zesithembu. I am so glad ukuthi the sole focus is not on Umpumelelo nesithembu sakhe, because like previously we were solely focusing on that. Now more drama. And we need it. I need it. Oh, Sana, I'm like, Lwandle, it seems like I'm going to be living for your drama this season. I'm going to be living for your drama and for Kwezi. Like, I need Kwezi. Please give that girl more screen time. She's needed. She's number one. She's the one. What do you mean? Back by a popular demand, izingane zesithembu zibuyile with a season 4, and listen, uTiritiri has just fits in so well with that family. She just posted a video of herself with the rest of them Selegu children celebrating. I think this was during shooting. Now guys, the video that I started with, whereby Umayeni explained the bullying of children, I would love to say, guys, ngiyanazi nina my favorites. Oh, Tirolo is my fave. Vuyo, the new girl, what's her name? Amahle is my fave. Guys, it's okay. You can have your favorites. However, don't let that affect the children. The rumor has it that Amahle also she was pregnant, or she just given birth to Mpumelelo's 4th child. So really to bully the children is unfair, guys. Please, asi again Leonto. Anyway, let's get into the recap of the trailer. Now the trailer is out. And I'm like, why is Tirelo crying? Because we know that it is Tirelo's season, guys. She is becoming Mrs. Mseleku. Kesana, listen, Umpumelelo will finally do right by Utirelo. And go and pay a lobola. I know that the production was trying to be messy by showing us Amahle, but no, it's not Amahle, it is Utirelo. And I'm like, Tirelo, my girl, you definitely came the long way, hey? Because remember in season 1, Utirelo was Chela, like she told us she was initially girlfriend number 4. Hey, and she got promoted to be girlfriend number 2. And from her being promoted to girlfriend number 2, Umpumelelo Benoviyogazi, they had a fallout. So therefore, Utirelo was left a main girlfriend. Oh, Sana. Utirelo really did came a long way with Umjolo Wagomselegu. And I guess it's safe to say this season we're going to notice her becoming Mrs. Mselegu. Kesana, love is for her. Hey, guys, love is for her, okay? Now, there is a lot that is happening in this trailer as well. I think we're going to see Amahle Benomayeni meeting for the first time. We know on Uthando Nesithembu, Umayeni did reveal ukuthi yena beno Amahle, they were never like initially introduced. She did not even know that Umpumelelo uyolobola. She legit find out on TV, and for some reason that deeply hurts her. And usine nkosi yami uzosintroduce ku-baby daddy wakhe. Guys, yini ngiyadwa ngibona ukuthi ingane kaSine iyafana noKagiso. U-baby daddy kaSine hayi ngeke loya guy nje ngathi akayifuni i-responsibility, leya ngane iyafana naye. Oh, ngiyamkhulumela uSine, but leya ngane iyafana naye, just nje uguy usaba into ebizwa ngokuthiwa i-responsibility. And we finally have uLwandle, guys. I want to see ukuthi ingane kaLwandle. Remember on Uthando Nesithembu, it's ended with them waiting for DNA results. I'm like, okay, the receipts has to be produced. Okay, we want those DNA results. But it seems like the DNA results went well, hey? Because was it not Lwandle going down on one knee? I'm like, I Lwandle. I mean, we watched these children legit grow up in front of us. So sometimes we feel like we know them, you know. Lwandle is a shy one. He's like, akakhulumi akafana noMpumelelo. Like uLwandle is a total opposite of uMpumelelo. So unalento ukuthi hayibo Lwandle, you have romantic nyana within you. Hayibo. We were legit not aware that you are able to be romantic. And when it comes to Umpilo, Beno, Babu Mseleku, it seems like they still have some serious issues whereby Umpilo has decided to side with Uma Khumalo and not support maybe Umseleku. So Umseleku still feels like it's Umpilo's responsibility ukuthi ayomkhulumela noma Khumalo, and Umpilo ba like, ayibo ngingeni mina indaba zabantu abadala. I'm like, clock it girl, ungayingeni ngempela indaba zabantu abadala, because why umusa ngempela ethi efuna ukufaka Umpilo endabeni zakhe. Anyway guys, there was a picture kaSine trending on social media, and the baby girl looked heavily pregnant. And I was like, how am I can't. Wesne. So shots number go to meet 40. Like, it cannot be. But I do believe that it's an old picture where she was carrying her last born. Hey guys, good night. I cannot unpack it. We will watch it tonight, all of us. I think, you know, we will all be glued on our TV screens. Also, another thing is Umseleku wants to give a production company the whole Thanksma production company to Uabo, because Uabo, guys, uyifundele lento, you know, she did film and art and film or whatever that is called, that the course. So maybe Umseleku feeling as umuntu capable ukuthi anga goisha forward ne family legacy Uabo, but asazi ukuthi uMpumelelo kuzobaphatha kanjani, because ngiyemzula uMpumelelo ayivoice out le ndaba as if ayimhlali kakuhle. And mina I'm just like, I love his for Abo. I feel like Mr. Mseleku Sam chose the right candidates. Love is for Abo, honestly speaking. But yeah, I guess we are about to see the whole thing, the whole shebang bang thing. You know them Selekis never disappoints, man. You know them Selekis, they got this thing, a reality TV show, Jay. Like, they are our Mzansi Kardashians. Without them, we are nothing.
Uthando Nesithembu will be airing its last episode tonight. I am so sad. Now let's talk about Samke. Now guys, I cannot be the only one who's seeing a pregnant woman here. Of course, on last night's episode, she denied pregnancy. She said no, she's not pregnant. But you all do see this Mkaba. I get a soze. Mkaba all round. Kanjena. Samke, babe, are we your children? Why you lalangati? Because you definitely do look pregnant. Sana uqinile lo mkhaba uyawubona and uround. My guess here, like I'm just guessing, is that probably some of the wives were not happy about how the first pregnancy was handled. Remember, Samke came with a surprise pregnancy test and surprised Umusa with her first pregnancy, and Musa was happy. He was like, oh, Kana, I'm still fertile. Many people were questioning if I'm fertile or not. I'm very much happy that I'm still fertile, right? And right after that episode, they went and told Umamkhulu about the pregnancy. I am guessing would see some of the wives, and being some of the wife, it's either Makhumalo, Mangwabe, or Mayeni were not happy about how the first pregnancy was announced. So now they are trying to manage the second pregnancy and make sure that they don't announce it to us without maybe consulting them first, or I don't know. But guys, Samke looks pregnant. She looks pregnant. Now on today's episode, we will see that Mseleku and his wife, so they will go on a small get together. Now, I don't know why are they doing this to my Ethely Queen. Because Ethely Queen will definitely look detached. She will look like she does not even want to be there. She will not even be participating on the activity that they will be doing as a family. I saw them playing a pool. Mseleku, as usual, commenting negatively on Makhumalo's outfit, saying Umakhumalo uyabushuzela, meaning she is good as naked. Kesana. That time Makhumalo is wearing amatracksuit. Like, Sana, what are you supposed to wear? This man, like, this woman is fully covered, okay? But not according to Umusa. She is not covered. Anyway, I hate what they're going to be doing to my Ethely Queen, because Ethely Queen shame Bantla will seem not interested in this activity. You remember, guys, on the last dinner, Umayeni expressed Uguti she does not want to go to the last dinner. And I feel like Ethely Queen should have done the same, you know, other than going and definitely not participating on the activities, looking completely bored. I'm like, Sana, Ethely Queen, I don't like this for you. You should have just stayed home. But anyway, they are going to be recapping about this season. And we will also get to see Umusa informing the wives, Uguti, Mpumelelo did go and pay Lobola. But guys, you know, Mpumelelo's Lobola situation is very tricky. Very tricky, because Umusa says, yeah, nawayegula at the time. So he was not really hands-on ngamalobolo kaMpumelelo. Umayeni disputes it and say, no, probably physically you were sick, but ingqondo yona yayisebenza nje wawugula enyameni, but not ngokwengqondo. So you should have informed me. But also, I understand why Umayeni ane engaka towards Umusa not informing her about amalobola, meant to say, because really, Mpumelelo, why is he getting an easy pass in all this? Okay, Mpumelelo shouldn't have been the one or tshela wakhe ukuthi lalela ma ngisayolobola. Like, why is Mpumelelo getting a free pass? Just like ngeke Mayeni ngathi na usiqinisa kakhulu isandla kuMseleku. But yeah, definitely one thing for sure, Umayeni is deeply hurt about Mpumelelo going to pay Lobola and no one informing her. Understandably so. And one thing also that Ubabake will try to say, Uguti, the other wives, Kosiami must receive well, you guys, I don't like what you all have been doing. You know, you all seem like you're side-eyeing, your side. You are just really not getting along with Umaxele these days. And please, I need all of us to get together, get along, and stop sidelining Umaxele, which honestly, I feel like if Vele he put it that way, the way that I just said it, stop sidelining Umaxele. Honestly, I really want these wives to stop. The way Umangwabe came for Umaxele yesterday, uthi nje uMusa Mseleku ade emsaba Umaxele. Like, whenever we're talking about Umaxele, Musa Mseleku will be shaking. Musa Mseleku will be on shake whenever Maxele's name is mentioned. Uthi futhi abantu bakhabo Maxele abanawo ama boundaries. Every time mabaya lapha kwaMseleku benza kuze kweqe. They cross lines, you know, they overdo. They have no boundaries whatsoever. And yeah, I feel like my queen, Mangwabe, you were definitely coming for Macele. Yey sana, what will Macele say now? Uzothini kaloku uMacele, after finding out ukuthi wena on the data sections you were coming for her, but also bandla uMacele, one thing that we know about her ukuthi she's cowardly herself, you know, uyigwala, she will never fetch straight to Umbali face to face ukuthi no